Mia cooking dinner?
Yeah.
What are you cooking?
I'm cooking meat.
Yeah. You cooking me chicken?
Yeah.
And vegetables?
Okay.
What are you making us then?
I'm making mummies. Making mummies. Lord. Making mummies.
Close the oven. Close the oven door. That's it. Okay, put the pan on the hob. Okay, you got to turn the buttons.
Okay.
Click, 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 click. Okay. Now while it's cooking, can you make me a cup of tea?
Okay. Where's it gone?
Well, you got the cups there. Look, can you see the cups?
There.
That's it. So take one off. One for Mummy. Good girl. One cup of tea, Mummy.
I'd love a cup of tea, that'd be lovely.
Oh, Mia's washing the cups first.
Oh, isn't she good?
Yeah.
What's in this little tray? I just had the weirdest text from Tiff. I'm assuming she went to
Here you go.
send us someone else.
Here you go.
Cup
Oh,
of tea.
thank you.
The
Whoa.
eggplant. Now. This.
Okay.
Cup
Okay.
of tea. Thank you, darling. Nice.
Time to eat. Let's make a soup.
You making soup?
Yeah.
Yeah? So cute with a little apron on. Put a bit of salt, bit of pepper.
Yeah.
That's it.
That's the egg.
Now stir it.
This spoon.
Yeah. Stir it, stir it, stir it. Bit more pepper. Right, it's ready. You'll put it in the plate for us.
Your oven.
You smile.
There.
Right, Mia, say thank you, Granny, for the kitchen.
Say thank you, Granny.
Oh, right, I'll